Flux AI versus Stable Diffusion can significantly impact how you create stunning images without the frustration of poor quality outputs. Both platforms offer unique benefits, making the choice essential for your creative projects. Flux AI and Stable Diffusion are two powerful AI image generators. The core difference lies in their methodologies. Flux AI focuses on real-time image generation with advanced customization, while Stable Diffusion emphasizes high-quality outputs through diffusion-based techniques. Flux AI is an innovative image generation tool that leverages advanced algorithms to produce high-quality visuals rapidly. It allows users to customize images extensively, making it ideal for artists and designers seeking unique outputs. The platform operates in real time, enabling instant feedback and adjustments, which can significantly enhance the creative process. However, it may require some learning curve for users unfamiliar with AI tools. Ideal users include graphic designers, digital artists, and marketers who need quick, tailored visuals. Flux AI excels in generating images for social media, marketing campaigns, and personal projects, providing flexibility and speed that many creators appreciate. Stable Diffusion is a leading AI image generator that utilizes a diffusion model to create high-resolution images from textual descriptions. This platform is renowned for its ability to produce detailed and realistic images, making it a favorite among professionals in the creative industry. Users can input specific prompts to guide the image creation process, allowing for a high degree of control over the final output. While it offers exceptional quality, Stable Diffusion may require more time to generate images compared to Flux AI. Ideal for illustrators, concept artists, and anyone needing high-fidelity visuals, Stable Diffusion shines in projects where detail and realism are paramount, such as book covers, illustrations, and fine art. When comparing Flux AI and Stable Diffusion, consider your project needs. If you require fast image generation with customization options, Flux AI is the better choice. It's perfect for quick iterations and creative experimentation. On the other hand, if your focus is on producing high-quality detailed images, Stable Diffusion excels in that area, although it may take longer to generate outputs. For instance, a marketer needing rapid visuals for a campaign might prefer Flux AI, while a fine artist aiming for a detailed illustration would benefit more from Stable Diffusion's capabilities. Both tools have their strengths and can cater to different creative demands. For those needing quick customizable images, Flux AI is highly recommended for its speed and flexibility. If high-quality detailed images are your priority, Stable Diffusion is the way to go. Each platform has its unique advantages, so choose based on your specific needs to elevate your creative projects.